Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register a hotel on booking.com. Now the first thing I want you to do is come over here to partner.booking.com. Don't go to the actual booking.com website. Okay, come to this one, partner.booking.com. Now come here, become a partner, click here, start hosting today. And then you'll be listing your property, okay, your hotel. So you need to answer a few questions. For example, right here, okay, is your property listed elsewhere? Right? You choose your options. If it's not, say it's not listed on either website, click on continue and we proceed further right here. You choose your property name, okay? Then it'll be, this is just basic information right here. And then you fill your address, as you can see right here. Click on continue. And then you just do your property setup section, right? You can connect it to your channel manager. If you want to connect this listing right there, basically a third-party tool that lets you manage rates and availability across the different sites that you might list it on, okay? So we're not using that because we are not listed on any other sites. You can go ahead and choose, property details right here. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, does it have a living room? What amenities does it have? Things like that. Do you allow children, pets, things like that, okay? You continue further, you'll need to add photos, okay, pricing, and just set up the calendar. Just follow this process, and it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.